Alright, so आता आम्ही पावले आमच्या final round. This is the final round of the show. Kevin, Marijo, are you excited to play this round?
Yes.
Yes.
As I said, this is called Flip the Cup. Okay? Flip the cup. Okay? There are 6 cups kept here. एक लाख 6 cups and there are different flavors. Okay? There are like, for instance, I'll tell you just one kokum flavor. Then kokum जाणा न्हू सोला. Okay. So तहे जाय ते flavors तू taste येता तू कोतले reaction आचर म्हाका कोतले खंयचे flavor पिला पळय. Okay? So there are 6 flavors. पहिले you have to drink it. Finish the whole glass, empty the glass, keep it there, the edge of the table, and then flip it. Until and unless the glass doesn't flip, you cannot go ahead with the game. Podlo, potun card, poto door, poto flip kor. Okay? Done? I'll show you the demo. Okay? So let me show you a demo. I don't know what drink is this. Let me just drink it. It is water. I was lucky. I'm keeping at the edge. 1, 2, 3. It didn't happen. Try it again. No. Again. Ebashan try kori tra apachem. Okay, let's see who wins the race. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Oh. Come on. Slowly. Kevin? There's something interesting happening here now. What is the taste you got?
Orange.
Orange. Marijo, oh my god. Three. I think she is racing you, Very fast are they? Done. It's almost done. Done.
Yes.
She wins it. Well played, both of you all. How did you play it? Enjoy it?
First time, I didn't know what is
Enjoy?
this. Yeah.
Enjoy the flavors?
Yeah.
Which flavor you
Can I
like?
burp?
Which flavor you like?
I think the first one was nice. I think it was Sprite, was it?
Sprite. Kokum one?
Uh,
Yeah. Alright. Thank you so much, guys, for playing this game very well. Thank you so much.